Have you ever checked your credit score and felt completely lost? Like, what does that number even mean? Is it good? Bad? Somewhere in between? If you're nodding your head right now, you're not alone. Navigating the world of credit can be confusing, frustrating, and downright intimidating. But what if there was a company dedicated to making it all a little bit easier? That's where Borrowell comes in. They're a Canadian fintech company focused on empowering Canadians with the knowledge and tools to make informed decisions about their credit. But who's the mastermind behind this financial guidance powerhouse? The man behind the mission, Andrew Graham. Borrowell wasn't built overnight. It all started with a vision, and that vision belongs to Andrew Graham, the co-founder and CEO of the company. Andrew isn't your typical tech startup guy. He brings a unique blend of experience to the table. Before Borrowell, he led the insurance business at PC Financial, a respected Canadian bank. He also held senior roles in corporate strategy and mergers and acquisitions. This background in both finance and business strategy gives him a deep understanding of the financial landscape and the challenges Canadians face. But Andrew's passion goes beyond just numbers and spreadsheets. He's a firm believer in financial literacy and public policy. He wants to see Canadians take control of their financial destinies, and that's what fuels Borrowell's mission. Building Borrowell from vision to reality. Andrew wasn't alone in his vision. He co-founded Borrowell with Wong, the company's COO. Together, they set out to create a platform that would break down the complexities of credit and make it accessible to everyone. Borrowell started by offering free credit scores and reports to Canadians. This was a game changer. Suddenly, Canadians could access this crucial information without jumping through hoops or paying hefty fees. But Borrowell didn't stop there. They built a suite of tools and resources to help users understand their credit, improve their score, and make smart financial decisions. We're talking credit monitoring, personalized insights, and even educational content to help you navigate the world of loans, mortgages, and other financial products. Andrew's impact, beyond Borrowell. Andrew's influence extends beyond the walls of Borrowell. He's a recognized leader in the Canadian fintech scene and a vocal advocate for open banking. Open banking, for those unfamiliar, is a system that allows consumers to share their financial data securely with third-party applications. This could revolutionize the financial services industry, giving Canadians more control over their data and access to a wider range of innovative financial products. Andrew believes that open banking is essential for a healthy and competitive financial system in Canada. He actively lobbies the government to develop a strong open banking framework, paving the way for a brighter financial future for all Canadians. The future of Borrowell. With Andrew at the helm, Borrowell is poised for continued growth and innovation. They're constantly expanding their offerings and finding new ways to empower Canadians. Who knows, maybe one day Borrowell will be your one-stop shop for all things financial, from managing your credit to saving for retirement. Andrew Graham, making credit clear for Canadians. So, there you have it. Andrew Graham, the CEO of Borrowell, is a passionate leader on a mission to make financial literacy a reality for all Canadians. With his vision and dedication, Borrowell is helping Canadians break free from credit confusion and take control of their financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.